Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good and safe. Today I am going to cook mutton halim or dalim. So let's start preparing. First we will soak all the lentils, that is chana dal, tur dal, masoor dal, urad dal, moong dal, rice, basmati rice, wheat and barley. I have given the measurement in the description and on the video also. Now we'll wash all the lentils. I have already soaked wheat and barley in night itself. Wheat and barley should be soaked overnight. Other lentils we can just cook in a pressure cooker. Now in a pressure cooker, I'll add all the lentils. Also I am adding 1 cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf and turmeric powder and some salt just to give some good flavor and aroma to all the lentils. I am adding water of about 1.5 liter and I am covering the lid. I'll give 6 to 7 whistles. After this I will be preparing for mutton. For that I have taken a pressure cooker. I am adding oil of 3 tablespoons. We need more oil because we have to add this oil to lentils also at later stage. Now I am adding 1 big size chopped onion. I will saute it till it becomes transparent. Once the onions are transparent, I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I will be sauteing it for 1 minute. After 1 minute I am adding mutton of 500 grams which is boneless. Let the mutton turn its color. Once the mutton is turned into some white color, I will be adding the masalas. So first I am adding turmeric powder which is of 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of dhania powder, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. I wish I could share the aroma of mutton and masala with you. What an aroma! Now I am covering the lid and give it 3 to 4 whistles. So here it's done. Let's check the mutton. See, we can see the oil separates from the mutton and it is well cooked with masalas. I am going to add some water and give again 5 to 6 whistles. Now let's check after 5 whistles how the mutton looks. See, here we can see the oil has separated totally and I am taking it to another different bowl for the later use. So here lentils also cooked well. I am taking hand blender to grind mutton and lentils. If we have time, we can cook these for 2 to 3 hours each. By doing that, we will be getting the market taste, but we are short of time. We are going to do things quickly in home. So mutton is blend to fibers, we can see here. Now I'm going to blend the lentils. The blenders and grinders will be saving time. In just minutes we can be ready with our delicious recipes. After blending process, we will be mixing both together and cook for 20 minutes. I have added all the lentils. Now I'll be adding the mutton and both will be cooked together for 20 minutes. Now mix well and stir continuously so that the lentils should not stick at the bottom. After mixing well, the oil which we have kept separate, I am going to add it. Give continuous stir. I can say only here is the hard part. We have to stir it continuously. After a long stir, it is going to be ready, and I am adding here fried onions. Mix again, and here it is ready to serve. And here the recipe, which is very delicious and very healthy because it contains all kind of lentils, mutton and masalas. And here the garnishing process, I'm going to add some fried onions, mutton oil, some fresh coriander leaves, some green chilies, and last but not the least, lemon slices. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share to others. I will say do try this recipe in your home, as it is very easy and simple but very healthy. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.